Okay, so this is about your 9th time. I got from Tallahassee, you were just there a couple days ago, all the way to Ocala when you asked multiple different things from Legos to beddings, all kinds of stuff.
Okay.
So I've got about, how many instances do you think I have on?
I'm not sure.
Okay. It's well over $1,300 in the course of a month.
Okay.
So we're adding this up right now.
Can I pay that?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll pass that.
It's funny how people think that's an option.
On February 6th, 2024, Gainesville Police responded to a Target store after loss prevention flagged a repeat offender 9 theft incidents. 3 Florida cities. 1 month. She drove a BMW, wore an Apple Watch, identified herself as a bank district manager. The method was self-checkout manipulation, scan one item. Walk out with more.
How many instances do you think I have on?
I'm not sure.
Okay. It's well over $1,300 in the course of a month.
On February 6, 2024, officers were dispatched to a Target store after loss prevention spotted a familiar face, an alleged scammer known for repeatedly stealing from the location.
So, the comforter and the leggings.
Lego sets. Is that the first time you've ever stole?
Yes.
Ever?
Did I? Yes.
Okay.
Intentionally, yes.
Well, okay. So this is about your 9th time. I got from Tallahassee, you were just there a couple days ago, all the way to Ocala when you asked multiple different things from Legos to beddings, all kinds of stuff.
Okay.
So I've got about, how many instances do you think I have on?
I'm not sure.
Okay. It's well over $1,300 in the course of a month.
Okay.
So we're adding this up right now.
Can I pay that?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll pass that.
It's funny how people think that's an option. If you have the money to pay for it, then why don't you just pay for it?
And this is the current one. I don't know if y'all, this is what she took this time.
Well, guess we'll add that to the tally. So if we got the money to pay for this, why are you doing this?
I honestly, I didn't do it on purpose. Like, I thought, when you saw me do the scanner, but I scanned it.
You see the scammers right there? If you click on one of those little 12 screens, then it blows up the whole screen. And, you know, so yeah, it showed you up there about 5 minutes ago sitting here doing this whole looking around thing and then scanning one thing. And I mean, we watched the whole thing. Okay, these cameras here are really good. And also, you know, 9 different times in all these different cities. You know, if you got the money to pay for it, why don't you pay for it?
I don't have an answer. Like, that is acceptable.
Appreciate your honesty.
I mean, I could sit here and lie out here and answer it's acceptable.
No, I appreciate that.
Is somebody else out in the vehicle?
Yeah. Have you got somebody else? Is hubby out there waiting on you?
No.
Which vehicle is yours?
The BMW out there.
Would one of you mind checking and you know, maybe he's in there, maybe he's not.
It's not.
Oh.
It's just me. It's an X5. Has a sticker on the back that says not a soccer mom.
Not something until I go out to the
Thank goodness.
So, you gotta go to jail today. Whether your car stays here or gets towed or whatever, it's gonna be totally up to these guys. But yeah, they got too many charges on it. Can't just give a court date and a hall pass on this one. I'm sorry. No, not sorry. I mean, 9 times. It's kind of, you know, about time. But
Can I just ask one question?
yeah.
You can answer me or not. We know how these things work, and we can tell when people are not being honest with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, when people are doing this, there's either somebody behind it having you do it, or you're working in conjunction with somebody. It's very rarely ever just the one lady who goes in looking like your normal soccer mom
Yes, ma'am.
and stealing all this stuff up and down the interstate. Do you not want to tell us who you're working with?
I'm not.
Where do you live?
In Ocala.
Why were you in Tallahassee?
I work and sometimes in Ocala, sometimes in Gainesville.
What about Tallahassee?
Oh, what was I? Oh, I'm sorry. I was there. It was my aunt's birthday. And we had driven up to Tallahassee from Ocala and my daughter.
Does your daughter go on these stealing sprees with you? Very interesting.
Yeah, I mean, damn. Drive a Beamer, dress nice jewelry, expensive phone, Apple Watch, and but $166. I mean, it's kind of not making any sense. I like what she was saying. There's usually a reason for it. I mean, that's they're wrong.
No, sir. I never been in trouble in my life except just being a ticket.
No, that's not trouble. It's I guess those.
So why are you in Gainesville today?
I had to work.
What do you do?
I'm a district manager for a bank.
Jesus Pieces.
All right. Well, I'm afraid to ask which bank.
Wells Fargo.
So do you, and I'm not saying this to be smart, but like, do you feel like you're a kleptomaniac?
I mean, we get it all the time. It's a common thing. We're not judging you or anything.
Right. I mean, do I have mental illness problems? Yes, I do.
That's not just true.
But do you buy your clothes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know how to buy what
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need, right? I mean,
purchase
it's not.
groceries. I pay my car payment. I pay my mortgage. I have.
Francis, I'm sorry. How late are you on today? I'll be all right. Any of her other cases from Gainesville, are you able to dig those up for me? It doesn't have to be right now, just later on, because I'm going to be working kind of late anyway, so.
Yeah, I've got the dates and cell breaks down here.
Oh, there we go. Got them already, huh?
Yeah, so I'll just go on. I can just put them. If you want them just on one like Word doc, just have each individual statement brought out, and then the video.
Same thing you always do, but if
Yep.
you want to, if you want to put them all on one thumb drive and make it easier, that's cool too. And
Yep.
I'll come back later and get it.
Yeah, we can throw it all together.
How many Gainesville cases do you have on her?
Just Gainesville, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be the 5th. So 4 and 5 coming today.
Okay. Are they
Just
all,
in Gainesville?
Are they all the same thing? Just
Yep.
self-checkout? Yeah, okay.
Does this fit scheme to defraud?
The dollar amounts, the thefts will have to do those individually and sort compliance, but it's all good.
I thought it was going to be that lady that was on the bolo the other day.
There's so many of them.
I know.
I'll be able to tell myself a judge.
No, you're going to be there overnight,
Yeah, so
at least.
this is felony charge, so it's gonna be an overnight stay. But in the morning you will.
Because I have a child at home.
I'm sorry.
I have a child at home.
You'll get to make phone calls. And all that, so.
How old is your child?
17.
So they can take care of
Car's there.
themselves.
Yeah.
The car's there?
The car's there.
Again, that's something you probably should think about before you're doing your one woman
Yeah, if you think
feeding
about
spree.
an hour or so.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So how late are you here tonight? Because I gotta go to Tower Road.
I'll be here all night. I'll be here until at least 9.
I'll be here for like 7-ish. I'll swing back by later and
Okay.
get those from you.
Yeah, I'll be here. For this one today, just you want me to put all in one thumb drive?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
fine.
I can do that.
Yeah, I can just I get back to the station.
You're just a busy man today, Barnesy.
Everywhere I go.
He sees me
Been all
texting him.
over
It's
the
like,
radio
no.
all day.
Now you always answer, and of course that guy at the recycling place always answer, but
Florida Statute Section 8-12. 0, 14 sets. Grand theft at $750 aggregate. 9 incidents across 3 cities crossed that threshold well before this arrest. The real charge question is scheme to defraud under Florida Statute Section 8-17. 0, 34. That statute requires a systematic, ongoing course of conduct with intent to defraud. 9 incidents in 30 days satisfies every element. Scheme to defraud is a felony regardless of each transaction's individual value. Aggregate between $20,000 and $50,000 is second degree 15 years maximum. Above $50,000, first degree 30. The most significant legal issue here is Miranda. The subject is in custody. Officers are questioning her, and there is no advisement captured on camera that is a problem.
Do you have anything in your purse or on you that's illegal, any drugs, or if you got medication prescribed and that's a sign? Okay.
So what I'm gonna recommend is that you take off all your jewelry because they're not gonna let you take it in the jail. I mean, it'll go in, but you're gonna have to take it off when you get there anyways. I would put it all like in your purse, but do you want me to search her purse real quick?
Yeah, I'll throw that together and put on a little flash drive.
Okay, that sounds good. I should search your purse if you want to do her.
Just set your jewelry right here for now, and then after he searches it, we can put it in there.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you married right now?
Yes, ma'am. That's another person that's gonna be freaking out with me.
I bet.
Which pocket is your driver's license in? Oh, actually, no.
Yeah, and I have the old Alabama one that has a hole in it.
If you want to get your watch and everything.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hand this to you.
Yes, these two.
Yeah, I would say probably. Do you have an envelope or a little bag maybe that we can just stick?
I thought it's.
Do you have any bags?
We have some out in the car. If not, it's fine.
Let me stick it. I should have one out here.
Can you stand up for me? You don't have anything tucked on you underneath bras or anything. So just so you know, and I'm not saying you do, but if I search you and there's something I don't find like tucked somewhere, that would be the introduction of contraband.
If you want to throw it there, this is what she actually paid for. So
Oh, okay.
there.
Okay, so I'm just gonna search you. Can you put your hands up for me? Is that your ribs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And how I stay in it.
What's that? All right, I'm not gonna go digging and they'll x-ray you at the jail.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll say, yeah, go ahead, 15.
Alright, so hit the edit. And then go to the
It's been a
locker.
long time since I've used somebody else's computer to type in that. I don't know why I didn't pick that on the spot. A long
You
time.
know, I'm no detective or anything.
I'm a very tired one. A very tired one.
How much longer you got?
Alright, so we'll do.
I would have been out here 2 years ago if everything had gone good, but I'll tell you later.
What, honey?
It's too far down.
So just
You can use my pink card.
I'll put that in the narrative. We just want.
Should I just like print that one off then?
Yep.
You won't put it on too tight. You got some all
What's the Lego shack called?
Hard lines. Yeah. Yeah.
Radio battery charged all weekend. And it's chirping after 8 hours. I just turned another one after having a dead cell in it and got a new one. Hey guys, just no hurry. Just shoot me a text when it's done, and I'll come back shortly afterward. Okay?
Absolutely.
Yeah. You want to move back?
It's this car. Over here.
My car's over here.
It should be good. I'm quite sure you're gonna call your husband, maybe.
Yeah.
Where do you guys live at?
Ocala.
You can come down and get it. It's not. We're not gonna tour or nothing. Cut the AC on and everything.
Thank you.
Miranda versus Arizona, 1966. Requires the warning before any custodial interrogation right to silence. Right to counsel. Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984. Extended that protection to any custodial setting. A store back room qualifies. She admitted to prior incidents, confirmed her travel pattern, and tried to explain the current theft without once invoking the right to silence. Every word of that is potentially suppressible. Surveillance footage survives suppression. Verbal admissions may not. Defense counsel files that motion on day one, and it is not a frivolous argument. Probable cause was solid under the totality of circumstances standard from Illinois versus Gates. 1983 eyewitness account from loss prevention, surveillance video, and prior documented incidents across multiple jurisdictions. The search of her person was lawful under Chimel versus California, 1969, as a search incident to lawful arrest. The contraband warning before transport cited a real statute, Florida Section 944.47, classifies introduction of contraband into a jail as a separate felony. The subject disclosed mental illness, and officers raised kleptomania. Florida Statute, Section 916.015, requires proof the defendant was incapable of distinguishing right from wrong at the time of the offense. Kleptomania does not meet that threshold, and courts have consistently rejected it as a complete defense. The arresting officer earns an A. Effective rapport. Accurate legal framing. Professional execution, start to finish. The Miranda gap is the only concern, and nothing in the footage suggests it was deliberate. The investigating officer earns an A-. His approach to aggregating evidence across multiple incidents was exactly what a scheme to defraud prosecution requires. One deduction, the audible reaction when she named her employer, was caught on a live recording. Loss prevention earns a B+ correct identification. Organized documentation. Clean handoff to law enforcement. Deduction, she had hit this location before, and earlier detection should have been possible. The subject earns a D. 9 incidents, 3 cities. And she gave a full voluntary statement without asking for an attorney. That interview was more damaging than any individual theft. Self-checkout fraud becomes a felony the moment prosecutors aggregate incidents under scheme to defraud. Small individual amounts compound fast. Retailers and law enforcement are sharing cross-location data specifically to build these cases. For officers, every incident, every date, every location, every dollar amount needs to be documented. That paper trail is the difference between a misdemeanor arrest and a felony conviction. Let us know in the comments if there is a case or legal topic you want us to break down. Thank you for watching, and check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.